Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you quickly how to find Amazon ASIN number. Now, if you don't know what this is, as you can see, Amazon convenience and reach are unrivaled among e-commerce marketplaces. That's why to keep all the products organized on the Amazon uses the ASINs, which is almost every product in the catalog has ASIN. And understanding them is the key to selling on Amazon successfully. So basically, ASINs are product numbers. Usually, if you have a Google Chrome extension like Helium 10, you can see them here. If you view more, you can see them right here. So for example, as you can see, this is the ISIN number. However, if we go here and if we scroll down, we need to scroll down just a little bit here until we go to the product information here. As you can see, you will be able to get the ASIN for every single product on Amazon. So every single product has this particular code, and yeah, you will be able to use this code for a lot of different things. You will be able to see, okay, which is that product. So for example, if we go here, if we go to the search and if we just type or paste this product right here, right here, we'll be able to get that particular product, right? Because this is the product number for that particular product. Now, if there are more products under this number or under this ASIN, you will be able to see them right here. However, it's only one product under this ASIN. So that's pretty much how you can find Amazon ASIN number. If you have any questions or maybe comments regarding this, you can comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.